one of the other big things to find in your lawn is moss. And when it's this tall, it's quite difficult to see, but we do have some. This, yes, it will pull out by hand, but it'll take you forever doing that. Just pull a little bit out. And it will last much better than grass. Moss roots are much shallower. They only go to 2 or 3 millimeters into the ground. So if there's any short, sharp bursts of rain, the moss really enjoys that, whereas grass roots can go down to inch and a half. And that's why moss ends up taking over sometimes in drier weather when there's short bursts of rain. But that's probably the second most common constituent of most lawns. Just depends on where you are. So there you go. There are, I mean, I don't know how many varieties of moss there are, probably hundreds, but it doesn't matter which one it is, because there is a lawn treatment to deal with that, but it's not part of the feed and weed that you might normally do for lawns. That's called lawn sand, which has iron sulfate in it, and that kills it off. And then after that, there's a process of scarification to clear it out, and then another process after that, but I'll do those all in separate videos and you can see how all of that works. So there you go, moss.